So everybody, before the itis sets in, let me give you an update on the turkey. So what happened was my after I did all of that work cleaning that turkey, my son came home and he decided that he wanted to season it. So he proceeded to season it, and we put it in the oven and it came out perfectly. And we also had ham because I had ordered a honey baked ham previously, and I had gotten sweet potato pie and casserole, a sweet potato casserole, and green beans casserole, and I made stuffing. And I told you all about the stuffing, which is, and the breadcrumbs came out okay. I mixed the potato breadcrumbs from Martinson's with the regular Petridge Farm stuffing, seasoned stuffing, and I had the eggs, and I had the giblets, and I took the meat off of the turkey neck, and I used the stock from that to moisten the breadcrumbs, and a little bit of butter, and the sausage that I had fried up, as you all saw, and I added all that in and mixed it up really well, and we stuck that in the oven, and it came out perfectly also. So it was a really, oh, and the Aaron seasoning of the turkey came out perfectly. So no complaints, and we had that with some cranberry sauce, and like I said, before the itis sits in, I wanted to give you all an update on that Thanksgiving dinner, and I hope that what I told you about, cleaning the turkey and making sure that you take the giblets bag out, I hope that was helpful or will be helpful to someone in the future. So thank you very much, and I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. I certainly did, and I'll be talking to everybody real soon. Peace.